Hello, this is Mr. Smith. We are helping you get your teacher webpage up to date. For those of you who are either new or forgotten how to access it, here we are on any ISD page. We're going to come here to employee login, and you're going to log in with your normal credentials. And that comes up here at the top. We're going to have Site Manager. All right, and when the Site Manager comes in, you're going to have over here on the left-hand side, you're going to have My Campus, you're going to have Teachers. This you don't have because it is for me, the web page coordinator. But you're going to click on your teacher's name, and it's going to pull up your actions. The ones that you definitely need to work on right here is the welcome. Inside the welcome, we're going to have the about teacher, and then we're going to have the class announcements and the class schedule. All right. We have our Eisenhower web page expectations. You're going to get a copy of that as well. And these are what you should have in those areas. And to fill that out, there's also a video, that very step-by-step video right here from Northeast. And there is a step-by-step web page from Northeast you're also going to get a copy of. All right, and it will take you everything that you need to do all the way down. All right, so again, we're going to come here. First step we do is log in, and then we hit Site Manager. Inside Site Manager, we get these options. We're going to come to Teachers, come to our name. Okay, if you'd like to build on new pages, you can do that, but you definitely need to fix this welcome page is what we want to focus on.